Hey guys, how's it going? Down here, it's actually just south of Oslob. Maybe 20 minutes or so just south of Oslob. And just kind of cruising around. Scott and Joe were there out doing the whale sharks. And I'm actually not feeling so good, so I opted to not put on the snorkel and mask and jump in the water. So I'm just said to go out for a motorcycle ride. So I'm out exploring Southern Cebu down here. And just cruising around. I found this little, what do you call it, canyoneering, I think they're called. There's just a little restaurant on the side of the road. And there were a lot of people here. So, you know, just like in the States, right, or anywhere in the world, if you see a lot of people at a place, it's probably pretty good. So, yeah, hadn't had my breakfast yet, so I thought I would stop and get some eggs and rice. So, yeah, just chilling out here. Got a little bit of a cold. Yeah, so Joe started off the cold, and we've all kind of bounced through it now, and I'm the last one through it. Yes, please. Okay? Service water. Yeah, perfect. Salamat. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You have, what do you call the little sausage or bacon? Or?
We don't have, sir. I only this one.
Oops, sorry.
Like it? Yes, this one.
No, okay. No, that's okay. This is
it's
fine.
Okay.
Salamat. Thank you so much. What part of town is this? Where?
Samboan.
Samboan?
Yeah.
Okay. Almost to the southern tip? Or still more?
More.
Okay, yeah. All right, cool. Salamat. Okay, cool. So that's where I'm at. I'll put it in a map. But yeah, just cruising around. We're over to, I'm not sure where I'm at in the footage yet, but we're over in Osminio's Peak yesterday. Man, beautiful. There is a low pressure to the north up in Luzon area, so it is kind of pulling through some weather through here. So it was really windy when we were up there. I wasn't able to fly a drone or anything. But down here it's nice, you know, really blue skies, really beautiful. So, all right guys, I'm going to cut the video off here. We'll pick it up in a little bit. It's really a scenic road, so I think what I'll do is I'll do some stuff on the motorcycle here in a little bit. So be right back. All right guys, just finished my breakfast. Gonna run down. I was looking at the map, actually rode a lot further than I thought I did. I pretty much rode all the way around the southern tip of the island here. I'm in Samboan. Yeah. So I haven't been riding that long. Didn't take that long. But nice little beautiful road. You see, I think I saw Negros, you know, right across the way there. It's really close. So, anyways, let's pay for the breakfast. Okay.
25
peso. Wow, that's barato.
Yeah, it's barato. We are very barato. Ay, kung 5 lebe. Bayade, oh. 25.
So, what are all the dishes that you serve here?
Sir?
What are all the dishes that you serve? What are all the things that you serve? Oh yeah.
It's that, I don't know in English
okay.
what we call this. Pork.
Okay. Baboy?
It's baboy, yeah.
Baboy? Okay. Yeah.
Where are you going, sir?
I'm just riding around. I live in Cebu.
City?
Yeah, Cebu City. Yeah.
Very hot there.
Little in it, yeah.
Very in it.
It's in it everywhere. No bug now. All right, Salamat. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, that was really cheap. They're really good too. Just, you know, real simple, fried rig and rice. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ride around a little bit more, so I'll be back later. Thanks. Hey guys. Hey, I'm just cruising around here, and I came up. I wanted to shoot this area real quick. Looks really beautiful. What we're looking at coming up here on the right. Yeah, actually, I don't know if this camera's gonna pick it up, but over there to the right is actually Negros. And so yeah, we're not quite to the very southern tip of Cebu right here, but just, you know, this is the kind of riding or roads that you would see along here. So you'll have a lot of, you know, you've got some construction and stuff going on, but still, I mean, definitely doable roads to do by motorbike or scooter or whatever car. Hey! But yeah, just really, I mean, just look at this, right? This is a beautiful coastal road. And this is kind of what I see all around the island here. As far as, the perimeter of the island is just kind of roads like this. Now, north of here, just kind of Carker area, you've got some construction. But, I mean, man, as I'm riding around Cebu here, it's just been, the roads have been really phenomenal. And, when you cross, so that's kind of the coastal roads. Thank you, sir. As you cross now, let me get through this zone. Now, as you cross the middle of the island, you've got to be a little more careful with the road conditions, as we discovered yesterday. There's a lot that can be unpaved, and you're talking pretty steep terrain. But the right vehicle can get through it. If I have a little more of an adventure bike, I could probably have a little more confidence in riding really anywhere. But yeah, I just wanted to shoot this area here as I was kind of driving around, and just was like, wow, this is just really, beautiful road right up along the coast. Gorgeous. So we'll see if we can catch up with Joe and Scott and see what they're up to here in a little bit. Like I said, they're out doing the whale sharks, and see how that went for them. But hey guys, just driving around Southern Cebu here. Pulled off actually to use the restroom. One of the many that are just everywhere. One of the things I love about this country. But yes, just out cruising around and check the surrounding out. Man, just really beautiful. This whole coast here. I think once you get past Karkar, this section from here all the way down to the southern tip of Cebu is it's really just beautiful, and just great road right along the waterway. Looks like they're building some stuff over here, but yeah, just really spectacular. So I thought I would just shoot a quick video out here. And the water is just so warm. Yeah, maybe I'll go out swimming, but yeah, it's really beautiful. Yeah, I'm just thinking about my future travel plans. What I think I'm going to do is, go back home and get well. We head out tomorrow morning. So yeah, we just got one more night here in Oslob, and then we head back. And future travel stuff, I don't know. I just saw in my riding around here, I saw where I could get the ferry over to Dumaguete, and so maybe do that, and then cruise up to Bacolod for Mascara Festival. So that might be on the horizon. I've also thought about, there's a ferry that I saw to Dipolog City, so that also might be on the horizon. But first I want to get home and get where I'm not sick anymore. But yeah, and it should be a couple days. But anyways, guys, I just was driving along and had to shoot this quick, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. Take care.